Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the single line diagram of substations. Under single line diagrams of substations, we studied about the indoor substations and outdoor substations single line diagrams. Students, now you see the single line diagram. This is the outdoor substation. The rating is 66 kV to 11 kV outdoor substation single line diagram. Under this topic, how the question will come in, this is the 10 mark questions. Then draw and explain the 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation they are mentioning. So you have to clearly you can draw the diagram and then mention the rating of each and every substation component. You know the single line, you already know. Okay, actually only single line only you can represent it. So see, for example, this horizontal line is nothing but the bus bar, or this symbol is nothing but the isolator, this symbol is nothing but the circuit breaker, and then this symbol is nothing but the current transformer. Okay, only single line only we have to represent it. All the single line diagram means all the substation components are mentioned with their symbols only, that is the standardized symbols only. Okay, now you see the 66 kV bar 11 kV. Okay, this is the outgoing circuit, this is also outgoing circuits. Okay, then you see this is the 66 kV bus 1, this is 66 kV bus 2 only. Okay, so here the what are the bus conductor you can ACSR conductor you can use it. Then the size is 260 millimeter squared size ACSR, that cable only is used as a bus conductor. So here this is the 66 kV incoming one, 66 kV incoming 2 only. Okay, so then the 66 kV. So here you see the 66 kV voltage is that means stepped that means stepped down by, that means what, 110 voltage only, 110 voltage only, step down by using this step down transformer. Okay, so here the 60 kV incoming line through the circuit breaker and the isolator and then connected to the 6 kV bus 1. Similarly, through the isolator only is connected to the 66 kV bus 2. This is the potential transformer symbol only. Okay, similarly, the 66 kV incoming 2 also is connected to the 66 kV bus 1 through circuit breaker and isolator. Okay, then here see the current ratio 800:1 means that is the current ratio of the current transformer, that is the rating of the current transformer. Here what are the potential transformer rating? 66 kV bar 110 voltage, that is a step down, that means the input is 66 kV, output is 110 volt. This is the rating of the potential transformer. So this is the single line diagram of the potential transformer. Okay, then you see after that you can see, that means this is the current transformer 800, but this current transformer 800, but this current transformer is the ratio is 200:1 ratio, that is 1. Okay, and then here this is the outgoing 66 kV line, this is the outgoing 66 kV, the arrow marks, this is the outgoing 66 kV line only. This then here we are using 66 kV circuit breaker. So here one more bus is there, that is 11 kV bus, 11 kV bus only. Okay, so the 11 kV, that means consists of 3 feeder. One is oil circuit breaker and then the current transformer 100/50/5 mean the 100 amps reduced to 50, again the 50 reduced to 5 only. Okay, this is the rating of the current transformer. This is the symbol for the current transformer. Okay, this is the outgoing circuit. Okay, so here you can see this is the LA. This is the symbol for lightning arrestor. So the lightning arrestor, and then here you see this current transformer rating is 1200 bar 600 bar 5 amps. So 1200 amps step down to 600, again step down to 5 amps only. This symbol is nothing but the bus coupler symbol only. Okay, that this is the 11 kV bus. Here two bus is used. One is 60 kV bus, another one is 11 kV bus. So here one more bus coupler also we have to use it, because the 6 kV bus 2 is connected to 6 kV bus 1 through bus coupler. Bus coupler means what? The bus coupler consists of isolator and circuit breaker. The circuit breaker rating is 66 kV circuit breaker. The current transformer rating is 800:1 only. Okay, so this is the single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV. This is the step down. Input is 66 kV. The output is 11 kV. This is the outdoor substation. Means this substation equipments are installed outside the that means the site only. That is outside only you can locate it. That's why it is called as the outdoor substation. Outdoor substations. Okay. This is the symbol. You see the symbol of transformer, star connected transformer. This is also star connected transformer. That is 66 bar 11 kV step down transformer. Then only the bus is 11 kV bus. So 66 bar 11 kV, that is star connected. The primary also star connection, the secondary also star connection. Okay, without neutral grounding only. The rating is 66 bar 11 kV. So therefore 66 kV bus 1, 66 kV bus 2. Similarly 2 11 kV buses, 2 outgoing circuits, 2 incoming circuits, and then the potential transformers. Okay, each bus, that means having the potential. This 11 kV bus also having the potential. The potential transformer only measure the voltage. Okay, and that only the transferred to the bus. Here also one potential transformers. So then each bus having the lightning arrestor connection also. Okay, so this is nothing but the single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation. You can draw this diagram. The diagram is very important. The marks lit up, maybe they are giving 4 to 5 marks per diagram, and then explanation 5 marks, 5 plus 5 or 4 plus 6. Now you see the explanation of 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation. You see here from the diagram we know 266 kV incoming line is there. That is we are marked incoming 1 and incoming 2. The both are connected to the bus bar. We already seen in the circuit diagram. Then what is mean by double circuit means the bus bar 1 and bus bar 2 and of the two incoming lines is called the double circuit. So two double circuit is there. Now that is the outgoing and then incoming. Each incoming line is capable of supplying the rated substation load. What are the rated substation load? 66 kV. Okay, so the both incoming lines can be loaded simultaneously to share the substation load, or that means one line can called upon to meet the entire load, because both are synchronized only. Okay, the double circuit arrangement increases the reliability of the power system. The reliability is the one of the advantages of the interconnection of the power system. Similarly, interconnection of bus bar. Okay, and then if any breakdown occur in any one incoming line, the continuity of the power supply can be maintained by the other incoming line. This is the advantages of double circuit of incoming lines used in the 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation. Okay, then now you see the continuation of that means single line diagram of 66 kV bar 11 kV outdoor substation, the substation has a duplicate bus bar system. One is main bus bar, another one is spare bus bar, but that means both are, that means connected through a bus coupler only. Okay, then because 266 kV bus bar is there, and then this type of the arrangement, that means the 66 kV double circuit supply is going out. So therefore that means the 66 kV double circuit supply passing through the substation only. The outgoing 66 kV double circuit line can be made to act as a incoming line, because the incoming voltage is 66 kV. Okay, now this 66 kV is stepped down with the help of the star connected step down transformer, that is 66 bar 11 kV star connected transformer. That's why the transformer symbol like this. This is the star, primary also star, secondary also star. Okay, 11 kV. The one transformer supply the entire substation load, while the other transformer act as a standby unit. Like this, because the both transformers are interconnected, that is synchronized only. So therefore, if the one transformer supply the entire substation, means the another transformer act as a standby unit. This is the procedure. Then suppose if any need arises, mean that time only the both transformers, so that means it supplies the entire substation load. Otherwise only one transformer share the entire substation load, the another one is act as a standby unit only. Here 211 kV outgoing line is there. This line feed to the distribution substation located near the consumer localities. Okay, the both incoming and the outgoing lines are connected through the circuit breakers isolator. Okay, that is all we already seen in the single line diagram. Okay, dear students, till now we studied about the single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation. Now we studied about the single line diagram of 11 kV bar 400 volt indoor substation. This is also step down voltage only. 11 kV is step down to 400 volt. You will see here, this is the 11 kV bus. This is the 11 kV bus. The 11 kV bus is connected to 400 voltage bus bar. What through? That means there is the isolator switch and then a circuit breaker. Okay, the 11 kV, that means is stepped down to 400 voltage by using 1 mega volt ampere rating of the step down transformer. The 1 mega volt ampere is the rating of the step down transformer. Okay, the current transformer rating 50:5 means primary is 50 amp, secondary is 5 amps. The circuit breaker rating is 11 kV. The circuit breaker rating is 11 kV. Okay. The circuit breaker rating is 11 kV. We are using oil circuit breaker. So this the triangle symbol is nothing but the cable box. The dotted line represents the underground cable. This is the switch, GO switch only. It's not a isolator. This is the GO switch only. It acts as a isolating switch. This current transformer rating is 1200 bar 5 mean primary is 1200 amps. Secondary is 5 amps. Okay. Now in the 400 bus bar, that means distributed, that means the consumer, here 2 consumers, here 2 consumers. Okay, so the 400 volt through, that means circuit breaker, and then supply the power to the consumer. The current rating is 200:1. 5 means 200 amps is the primary current, 5 amps is the secondary current only. This is the single line diagram of the 11 kV for 400 volt indoor substation. Now we studied about the important technical key points. Okay, this is the 3-phase 3-wire system. The 11 kV is the input. Okay, and then here that means GO switch means Hank operated switch only, which consists of isolator connected in each phase of the 3-phase line only. And then the 11 kV line from the GO switch only is connected to the indoor substation using underground cable only. Underground cable, that means you see in the diagram and all, that is the dotted line. This dotted line was nothing but the underground cable. The triangle only is represented as the cable box. This is the GO switch. This is the difference between the isolator. This is the isolator symbol. This is the isolated symbol, but the GO symbol is similar to one-way switch like this. This is the GO switch. Carefully you have to draw the symbol which is used in the single line diagram. Okay, now the HV side of the transformer is 11 kV. The LV side of the transformer is 400 kV. Okay, this is via 11 kV circuit breaker only is used. The transformer step down the voltage to 400 volt. That will be 11 kV voltage is stepped down to 400 volt, 3 phase, but 4 wire means neutral, and then RYB. This is the 4 wire, but the phase is 3 phase system. This is the 3 phase 4 wire system. The secondary transformer supplies the bus bar via main circuit breaker only. From the bus bar line, the 400 volt 3 phase 4 wire supply is given to the various consumers. 4 consumer is there, no? So via, that means 400 volt circuit breaker only. The voltage between any two phases is 400 volt, but any phase and the neutral is 230 volt only. Okay, that is line to line voltage. Phase to phase means line to line voltage is 400 volt, and then the phase to neutral is known as the phase voltage is equal to 230 volt only. The single phase residential load is connected between any one phase and neutral, where the 3 phase 400 volt motor load is connected. Because if single phase we are only used for the domestic service only. Okay, so therefore 3 phase 400 volt is used for the motor load. That means, okay, so the current transformer CTs are located at a suitable places in the power that means single line diagram of the indoor substations. That means which supply metering and indicating instruments and the relay circuits also. Students, now you see the diagram. Wherever we required CT, we have to use. This is the CT connections. Okay, this is the CT connection. Wherever we required, we have to use the circuit breaker connection. This is the circuit breaker symbol. Okay, for step down, that's why we are using this step down transformer. Here we are using the underground cable. Instead of insulator, we are using the GO switch. This is the incoming bus, 11 kV bus. The outgoing is nothing but the 400 volt bus bar only. This is the power from the 400 bus bar to consumer through circuit breaker and current transformer. Okay, so similarly you can see the outdoor substation also, single line diagram. Okay, you can see that means here 2 bus, 66 kV bus and 60 kV bus 2. This is the main bus. Another one is a spare bus. The spare bus coupled with the main bus through bus coupler. Wherever we required the CT connected. This is the CT connected. You see, that is very, very important. The CT is connected in the single line diagram of the indoor and outdoor. So this is the isolator switch symbol. Okay, you know the difference between the GO switch symbol, that means hank, that means switches, and then isolator switches. So potential transformer also is there, and then here that means incoming is 666 kV, outgoing is 11 kV, and then here that means we can use the step-down transformer 66 by 11 kV star connected transformer only. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understood the single line diagram of 66 bar 11 kV outdoor substation, and then 11 kV bar 400 volt indoor substation. Indoor substation, all the substation equipments are installed in indoor only. Outdoor means outside only. This is the difference between the indoor and outdoor. The incoming and outgoing is very important. Single line diagram means all the components are represented by a single line only. That means with the help of their symbol and then with the ratings also. Thank you students for watching this video.